again with another video on a video series of CSI and Agile for Sciences. So in this video I'm going to discuss about some rare moment which is going on right now in our country. We are having fairly widespread rainfall as well as snowfall in isolated places of Western Himalayas region, basically regions of Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh as well as Uttarakhand. So why it is happening so? Before that, I would like to show you some video. So this video is sent by one of my friend from Manali. Here we can see that there is a snowfall up to 1 feet, and you can see this is like end of April right now. Okay, end of April, and you are getting all these things. See, it's a 1 feet snowfall. This is common in winters. Right now we are about to enter in the summer months, right? We are about to enter into peak summer month, right? And we are having all these things. It's all because of climate change. So we'll see why basically it is happening right now once the video is completed. Okay, now here we can see that this is the surface situation of our India right now. This is India over here. We are getting wind patterns all across the globe right now. When I shift this, when I shift the height to 250 hectopascals, 250 hectopascals is basically a region where we have almost 12-kilometer height. Okay, it's a 12-kilometer height region. Okay, here we have lots of jet streams going on. We know from our previous videos there are two planetary jet streams, which is polar jet stream and another one is your subtropical jet stream. We know on India there is a effect of subtropical jet streams directly. So let's see what is happening right now. So now we can see that at 250 hectopascals, that means at a height of 12 kilometer, there is a movement of HTJ over the India, and it is not affecting only Western Himalayas, as well as it is affecting our central India also. So in here we can see that in the Western Himalayan region there is a fresh active western disturbance going on. So this moisture, which is basically precipitating in the form of snow, which is precipitating in the form of rainfall in the Himalayan region, is basically driven by these STJ, these subtropical jet streams from these regions, from Mediterranean regions and all, and it is simply precipitating over here. So we can say that it's all because of fresh active western disturbance in the northwest Himalaya. In the central Himalayas, we have tropospheric lows formation. I already discussed about the same in my previous videos. Please check this out, how troughs and ridges are formed and how these troughs and ridges are responsible for precipitation, thunderstorms, all of these things. Okay, so I hope you get the video. Okay, so at last I want to say it's all because of freshly active western disturbance, which is common in winters, but right now it is happening in summers. Think of it, it's all because of climate change. Everything is shifting right now towards India. This HTJ should have effect in winters. This western disturbance should have effect in winters. Please check out my previous video, okay, where I explained basically the difference between a tropical cyclone and temperate cyclone. Okay, so that's it for the today. Hope you like the video. Please share, subscribe my channel. That's it. Okay, chalo, bye.